Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm going over my experiences of using the Ooni Karu, or however you say it. I've been using this oven for a few months now, and I think it's time to have a look at the oven, how it's getting on, and seeing what I've done to it internally. I think the structure looks fine. Let's go and take a look. Here I show the oven whilst I had it new, so looking perfectly new and unused here. And this is the inside of the oven now. Considering that it gets to a really high temperature, I think that it's looking pretty good in there. As it was. And as it is now. So the versatility of the fuel is one of the big things I do like about this oven. So this makes it a very flexible and easy oven to use. And not only that, the gas burner can heat up the oven just as well as the wood burner. So cooking with gas is very fast, clean and easy to set up, whereas cooking with wood is a bit messier. I've really enjoyed using this oven over the last few months, and I love the versatility it provides. To be able to use both gas and wood makes this a fantastic pizza oven. I have the option to switch over the fuels and still obtain a great cook from both of them, and that's a huge advantage. The practical, stylish design is also very impressive, and the cooking experience just matches that. This oven packs a good punch for its size. The gas burner gives you that versatility, quick and easy to set up. You just turn the dial and you've got the flame, instant heat. Heat it up without the door on, and your oven after about 20 minutes is ready to go. With the wood burner, it's about 15 minutes I found. So I found using the wood and gas really easy with this oven. It's been great fun. I've been using it quite a lot and I've enjoyed cooking many different things with it, like pizza pan dishes, sizzler pan dishes, and I can cook bread in there, but I haven't yet, like small bread rolls. I hope to be doing that soon. I've also found it very easy to switch over the burners. So the Ooni gas burner doesn't come with the oven, you have to buy that separately, but I've got that, so I've put that onto the back and I really love using it. It works really well in the oven. I mean, sometimes I think, oh, which one shall I use, the wood or the gas? They both work really well in this oven. I wasn't sure how the gas was going to work, but I'm very, very impressed. It doesn't need a metal guard at the back, and that's a big thing because my Ooni 3 I did have to have a metal guard on the back of that oven, but this one you don't, even though it's the same burner. So it works. I think it cooks my pizza really well, and it's got a fast warm-up time with the gas. With the wood, also enjoying it a lot because it's got a grate that's perfectly sized for this oven, in that you can just put your charcoal and lump wood in, and it's big enough for that wood and the charcoal to heat up your oven, and also to give you a good cook for as many pizzas as you want, as long as you keep topping it up at the back. I really enjoy using the wood as well as the gas. I think that the grate is the right size because it's a smaller oven, so it's perfect for heating that size oven up. Any bigger than that, the temperatures in that oven would go too high. Already I'm trying to keep it below 500 degrees centigrade with the wood in there. So I love the fact that you can use wood, and then if you want you can use gas. And the reason why I love that is because sometimes the weather dictates what fuel I use. If there's a chance of rain, I won't cook with wood, I will cook with gas, and that's because I can cook undercover with gas. I don't need a chimney. The pizza stone in this oven is really, really effective. It seems to retain a lot of the heat, especially when you're heating your oven up. I tend to cook on a lower temperature on this pizza stone than I do with the other Ooni stones. The stone is nice and thick, and I find that it's got excellent heat retention, and I do cook my pizza on a lower temperature using this oven. So I cook it at 410 degrees in the center instead of 430 degrees in the center, which I do with the Ooni 3 stone and the Ooni Karu stone. I hardly ever use the door. I just use it for heating the oven up. So overall, I really love this oven. It's everything I expected it to be and more, because the gas burner works equally as good as the wood burner. And I think it's really stylish, a very attractive oven, and it's small. You can just pack it away, the legs fold up, doesn't take much space. Take it anywhere with you. It is portable. It's even lighter without the stone in it. It's easy to carry. It does everything it needs to do and more. I really love this oven, and I really enjoyed using it the last few months during the summer, and I'm looking forward to cooking more dishes with it this winter. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Take care. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.